Cruzin here, y'all. Back to the channel, man. I know I ain't been talking about the truck lately, bro. It's been a minute since I've been, like, you know what I'm saying, giving y'all updates on what we got going on. So right now, I'm gonna show y'all what the truck's looking like right now. Y'all probably seen it already on Instagram and everything. All right, so there you go. That's better. So this is what the truck is looking like right now at the moment. Got everything tore apart, all the wheel lights taken off, all that stuff right there. So what we gotta do for the bags at the moment, I still gotta take all of this off right here. All the lease rings gotta come off. Drive shaft gotta come down. The bed has to come off, of course, and all the extra. I gotta cut the exhaust tips. But let me show y'all what. But yeah, y'all, it's been real crazy, bro. So another thing we got done, we do have the wheels on. The wheels and tires, they're red. The tires are on the rims. Like, I love them, bro. Like, they look immaculate, bro. So one tire is leaking, but what I think it is because that rim is so dirty. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna demount the tire one more time, and then we're gonna remount it again to see, make sure everything's sealed up perfect. It's sealed up all the way one time. We had a little trash in there, if y'all can see in the video. Other than that though, it's gonna be good, bro. Fury did they dab on them 35-15-50s, bro. I don't know if y'all know, they just came out with a 38-16-50 for the 28x16s. People got them tires, bro. Sick, bro. I'm telling you. Check, man. I'm about to set y'all up so y'all can see me get started on taking stuff apart, bro. I'm about to start cutting a couple stuff, getting some stuff off. So yeah, bro, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. We about to shake Ghost back, bro. We have literally, to be honest, what we got? We have Murder's on the 19th. We have a week left. A week left to get ready. So I'm excited. Y'all should be excited. We pulling up. Make sure you copy your merch. We gonna be out there for real.
Hey, this gotta be Dino.
He gonna let you while he under there.
You better hurry the fuck up. I ain't gonna do nothing. I ain't gonna say shit on the hey, I just got some money there.
He see too much car.
Hey, all I see was flames hitting the gas can, the gas tank. I had to get some money there. You go ahead, nah, ain't none of this stuff for me. I don't think it'll do nothing though.
Look, D said ain't gonna do nothing. Alright, still recording. It ain't gonna do nothing.
This gonna be a
Make sure you
joke.
catch everything.
Boy, this gonna be a joke on this bitch. They were like, who that dude is? Oh, that bitch joke and bad.
You don't think you should be wearing a damn mask?
Oh, it ain't gonna do nothing. You should never stop. The recording, like this hard or something. If you didn't want to do it, you could have just said it. Now you get steady on the gas tanks. Just turn it. Just turn it. Alright, see it go like that.
You got that be recording?
Yep.
You gotta keep it on me and like
Aight, bro.
I got that bitch pointing the ground. You record. I'm watching. I'm like,
We got you, man. We got you, dog. Oh, shit. 21, huh?
Yeah.
That what you got?
No, that's a 19.
But ain't that? Wait, so what that's connected to?
This right here. I'm taking this off right here. So that's gonna make that drop to the ground. So
It ain't gonna have nothing to do with this either. Your pipe.
It's gonna just hang. Cause all this connected up. So we got the neck. We got that apart. I gotta take the shots off. I think that'd be the 19. Oh, so 19, 8. Alright. That be loose.
Oh, see, this is the weird part.
Y'all know. Y'all be.
Shit. I dropped this bitch. I cut that bit off.
The other one off?
Nah. I had cut the tailpipe.
I know. What the fuck?
Nah, the other one on the other side.
Oh, up there.
Yeah, it's up there.
Yeah, I told you.
But I had a long day, bro.
You down there.
I had a long day.
And we gotta disconnect the drive shaft.
Oh, yeah. These shine like. These look like about 15, no, like 13s. But
These 4 bolts off, right? And then yeah, alright.
I told him that, bro. He just had to ask you.
Man, I was trying to make sure, man. You know,
Damn,
these be
Damn,
working.
Damn, dog.
I told you.
Damn, bro. I told him what he had to do. He still ain't.
What they is?
I don't know. It look like about 14, 13.
Might be a 10.
Nah, I don't think it's this now.
Alright, come on, get the other shock off.
15? No, that's a 13. Get your 13 millimeter ring. 12 or 13.
It don't matter, it's heavy,
I
light.
hold it.
About the same size for these two. About the same size for these two. These breakers and stuff, but I put this shit out there. He gonna. You taking
Why
it
y'all look so
somewhere?
confused? That shit simple.
Hey, look, we trying to make sure you do it. We don't. I know what I'm doing. He just act like you don't know. I'm just trying to see if you taking it away from me and get
Wait,
it
take the whole
or you just drop it.
I'm taking the whole rear end apart. I'm taking the deep paint.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Yeah, I'm trying to see how you gotta come loose. Like, you drop it in the paint.
No,
Or
we
you
take the
pull
whole
it in
thing
this
up.
from under
Yeah, you rolling that motherfucker from under there.
You gonna
I'm gonna roll that bitch.
drop it, roll it up. Shit, what I had to do is put my wheels on my shit, on my truck. I burned that bitch off a week after I started driving my shit. I had to put the wheels on my shit and roll my shit under my
You
truck.
got, I'm missing one.
Nigga,
two.
$100 to change that bitch.
2 up.
Alright, so we need a 13, right?
Yeah, get a 15, please.
15.
Oh, I said, you got to ride home. He said, I'm going to pull it right for you. I said, I'm going to pay for my ride home. You ain't going to gas money now.
I told him, you ain't gotta pay.
You clocked out?
No. Damn, boy.
Impact.
I'm about to say.
I got the other socket.
Yeah, let me see. What looks like 13?
Yeah.
Go get mad that impact from over there.
Manual right here.
Oh no, this ain't gonna work. This 13 ain't gonna work.
What you doing?
It's like it's too big. This is 12 you got, dude. This is 12. We need a 12 wrench. I mean, socket. You got it?
That's a 12 little bit socket?
Yeah.
Oh, that ain't 12.
Yeah. And not a 13.
You gonna fuck up.
He gonna fuck it up.
Yeah, put him a fucking machine. You gonna fuck up. You gonna drop that motherfucker. That's what he needs. That's where you gonna that's when he gonna have to put the flatbed on it.
He said a wood bed that got the chickens in.
Yeah, got the That's crazy. Man, go home, man.
Come on, Roger.
Bitch gonna be straight though. Wall, you better not fuck this bitch up.
Man.
You gonna come back and get you, you know.
Yeah.
Let's see what we got.
Man, I don't drink no soda, man. I don't drink no soda, man. They got too much in there. Fucking cold drinking 90 grams of fucking sugar and one thing of juice. I wonder why that ass be lit. It makes sense now. Ice eating fucking boring like that. That's how she could eat some grits and get off fucking ice. Man. Ice eating fucking fix the wheels, do it like that or something. But anyway, that's his little cousin, Papa Murder. He like that.
Yeah.
Maybe about that, huh?
Right. Damn.
So they got hit
So we'll clamp this. Once we get everything out, we'll just clamp this to it, and we'll just
Yeah. We're going to cut into the
get
bed.
all our lines lined up for our sides and all that. We won't cut anything yet.
Yeah. But with that C-notch, we're going to cut into the bed.
Oh yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes, we're gonna have to cut the floor out of your bed.
Yeah.
The entire floor.
Shit.
If you want to, what we'll do is we'll just cut the bed, the whole bed pan out,
Mm-hmm.
and then just raise it up.
Okay.
Weld it all back on.
Oh, yeah.
So basically,
So when the bag's on, just raise it up. Yeah.
if you
Okay.
don't want to see all of that.
Yeah, it's all
If you want to
good.
see all of this from the top, then you just leave it open.
Okay.
It's up to you. Unless you like using it, man.
I mean, I use it sometimes. It ain't going to be nothing that where it's going to be like in the way.
So your bed pan,
Cut about right there.
you just cut all of it out short and just pick it up.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that ain't
It's just a
bad.
shell on the outside. It's,
Right.
It's an inside frame with a shell, so we can cut it.
Oh, so it's going to be cut, but then we can just put this over to cover everything
It'll
up.
look the same.
Oh, okay. Perfect. Oh,
But
yeah.
all this, we'll just take all this and cut all this out.
Yeah.
Get this separated from this, and then just all the way around. Put it
Yeah.
all up, weld it all back on.
Oh, yeah.
Said he can weld.
Oh, D?
D?
Yeah.
Say good at it, sir.
So she ain't.
Because that's when your lines come in.
Right.
Where you want everything to look good.
Right.
Should
Bet.
be no problem, dude. And then the thing with the wheel wells, we can just take these wheel wells here.
Yeah.
And just move them up with it.
Right.
So you cut the wheel well shape out the top of the bed and just,
Move it all up.
we'll see when we get the bed out.
Alright.
We just have to put stoppers in there to where you can't go down no lower than sitting on the bed.
Oh, I'll sit on the bed, me.
I told you too though, if you so it's wide. Well, I guess you couldn't even get a wide body on there wide enough to make up the difference for that.
Yeah, it wouldn't even.
Because his wheel's too wide. Make it where you can tuck that big old wheel down.
That'll be, yeah.
Because they make flare kits and stuff.
Yeah.